Hi, I'm Donald McIntyre, Operations Manager at Emerald, and in this tutorial, I am going to show how to set up an Ethereum Classic account on Emerald Wallet using your private key JSON file. The first thing we need to do is to go to emerald.cash/download and download Emerald on your computer. But what is a private key JSON file? JSON file is an acronym for JavaScript Object Notation File. It is an open standard type of file widely used in computing. On blockchains, private key JSON files contain the information of your private key and public keys. They're usually encrypted with a password you selected when creating them. So you open your Emerald wallet and you're going to see the home. And because in the previous tutorial we used this same private key JSON file to create an Ethereum wallet, you're going to see your Ethereum wallet already created there. To create a new wallet, but for Ethereum Classic or ETC, using the same private and public key, you need to go to open the menu on Emerald. You're going to see the menu and you need to select Create Wallet. You're going to see the 6 options. In previous tutorials, I have explained how to create wallets with Ledger and other options. In this case, we're going to use the option Import Existing Private Key JSON File. When we press there, Emerald is going to ask us to label this new wallet, because in Emerald you can have many wallets, then it's very useful to label them. And in this case, for this example, we're going to label it Private Key JSON File ETC to distinguish it from the previous wallet. We're going to press Next. And Emerald is going to ask you to select the private key JSON file you're going to use to create this wallet. So you click there, and on your computer, you're going to go to the folder where your private key JSON file is. You select it and you press open. In my case, I have it in my downloads file. And when you press open, then Emerald is going to recognize the information of that private key JSON file, and you're going to notice that the public account or your account on Ethereum Classic is going to be visible. And Emerald is going to ask you, for security reasons, to enter your global key or your password for Emerald. And then you need to enter the private key password for that specific JSON file, which is usually 12 characters. When you enter the password, you press save and then you press next. In the next step, Emerald is going to ask you what blockchain you want to enable for this particular wallet. Because in this case, we want to create a wallet specifically for ETC or Ethereum Classic using the same private key as the previous wallet that we created for Ethereum. In this case, we're going to then select Ethereum Classic and press Next. And your new wallet is created. Emerald is going to show you the unique wallet ID for this particular wallet. It's not a secret number, it's just to identify your different wallets, again, because you can have many wallets inside Emerald, so they need to have an ID. Each one needs to have an ID. So now we can go and open our new wallet. And you're going to see that you have the Ethereum Classic blockchain enabled here. It has the name of the wallet here. And the other thing that is important is that because you used the same private key JSON file as with the previous wallet for Ethereum, and because Ethereum and Ethereum Classic are compatible, this particular wallet on Ethereum Classic is going to have exactly the same account on the blockchain. You go to the home, and when you go to the home, you're going to see that both wallets are created. Both using the same private key JSON file, but one for Ethereum and one for Ethereum Classic. You're going to notice that the name format is not the same because this one says Private Key JSON file etc, and this one doesn't say Private Key JSON file ETH for Ethereum. So if you want to solve that for both to have the same format, you open your Ethereum wallet. Again, notice that the account number is the same for Ethereum as with ETC, but you want to change the name to have the same format. So to do that, you have to click on the little pencil here, the pencil icon on the right of the name, and the form is going to open, and now you can edit the name. So I'm going to add just ETH, so it has the same format as the other wallet, the name format. And we press the check mark, the green check mark. So you're going to notice now that the name of this wallet is changed. And when we go to the home, we're going to see that both wallets are created. One is for Ethereum, the other one is for ETC, and they have the same name format. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.